Gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Federal Bank Limited. Face value of the bank is 2 rupees. 52 weeks high is 108 rupees 80 paisa, dated 16th of July 2019. 52 weeks low is 35 rupees 70 paisa, dated 25th of March 2020. Closing price 53 rupees 05 paisa, dated 13th of July 2020. This is the 15 days data analysis. According to the 15 days data analysis, the resistance point is 56.25. The support level is 50 rupees 70 paisa. The traded volume is pretty decent. According to the 1 month data analysis, the resistance level is 58 rupees 10 paisa. Support level is 45.70. This is a 1 year graph. Here the graph is indicating that the Federal Bank is moving in a sideways movement at present. The RSI is indicating that the script is in overbought situation where the natural selling can come and push the script down. It is a temporary phenomena only, but the selling pressure will push the script down. Here you can see the script has touched the 58 rupees mark in the Japanese candlestick format. The traded volume is also pretty decent. If the script is not able to break the level of 58 and above, certainly it is going to test the level of 50, and below 50 the script is really weak. Below 50, the script can come up to the level of 35 rupees also. Let's assume the script is breaking the level of 58 and above. It can easily reach to the level of 67 rupees mark, subject that there should be a volume. If it breaks the level of 57 or 58, above 66 is indicated, above 66, 96 rupees is indicated. It can take a very huge upward direction. Why? Because there is a W formation in bottom. You can see very clearly. Wherever the W formation is marked, the script is trying to move up when it cutting the resistance level, very strong resistance. When it's breaking with a huge volume, the volume is the key factor. If the volume pushes the script up and breaks the resistance level, certainly it's going to go for a very big level in upward direction. So it indicates above 66 or 67 rupees level, 96 is indicated. The total study in which this particular recording is based on the past performance of the script, which is subjected to market conditions in which all type of risks are involved. I mean to say the risk factor is there. Here I like to announce, we are not promoting any individual script or any company. We are making an educational video, purpose knowledge sharing. I request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.